Company reports strong revenue, strong profit, healthy margin, everything looks good. Then management speak for 5 minutes in the earning call and stock falls sharply. Many investors get confused. They ask how can good numbers lead to a falling stock? Because market do not only price what happened, market price what is likely to happen next. That is why guidance can matter more than result. If you ignore this concept, stock moves during earning season will keep surprising you. Let's begin with the core truth. Results tell you the past, guidance shapes expectation for the future. The market cares deeply about the future. What is guidance? Guidance is management's outlook about what may come next. It may include expected demand, revenue growth, margin, raw material cost, pricing power, export, order book, capacity expansion, capex, competition, regulation, and risk. In simple word, result tell you where the business was, guidance tell you where it may be going. Suppose a company reports 25% profit growth this quarter, excellent headline, right? But management says next quarter may be weak due to slower demand, higher cost, delay order, lower utilization, or pressure on margin. The stock can fall immediately. Why? Because investors are buying future earning, not last quarter earning. The reverse also happen. A company may report only average current number, but management sounds confident about new orders, stronger demand, better margins, capacity coming, online lower input cost, or industry recovery. The stock can rise strongly because future expectation improved. This is why one sentence in a conference call can matter more than a full earnings table. What should investor listen for in guidance? Demand outlook, margin outlook, raw material trend, pricing power, order book strength, capacity expansion progress, competitive pressure, working capital trend, capital allocation plan, export commentary, and sector demand commentary. These are clues to future performance. Important warning, not all guidance is equally trustworthy. Some management teams are conservative and under promise, some are aggressive and over promise. Some repeatedly miss what they guide. Smart investor compare words with history. Does management usually deliver what it says? That matters a lot. Practical advice: do not react only to revenue and pat headlines. Read commentary, listen to tones, study whether future expectations are improving or weakening. That is often where the real market reaction come from. Biggest takeaway: result explain the quarter, guidance explain the direction, and in market, direction often matter more than current speed. So next time a stock moves sharply after earning, don't stop at the result table. Ask what management said about the future. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.